everyone, tool enthusiasts. I'm Kelly, your tools expert. With years of experience using all kinds of tools, from simple hand tools to advanced power tools, I'm here to share knowledge, tips, and tricks to make your projects easier and more enjoyable.
And I'm Kevin, your tools consultant. Even though I'm not as skilled as Kelly when it comes to using tools hands-on, I've got plenty of theoretical knowledge about different tools behind them. I love diving into the details and explaining how everything works in a fun and easy to understand way.
Welcome to ToolTalk Pro, your ultimate destination for all things tools.
Whether you're a professional, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who just loves working with tools, you're in the right place. At ToolTalk Pro, we believe in empowering every hand with the right tools. The right hands deserve the right tools. And hey, if your hands are wrong, we'll teach you how to make them right.
On this channel, you'll find in-depth tool reviews to help you make the best choices, step-by-step tutorials for your DIY projects, pro tips and tricks to maximize your efficiency, and of course, the latest updates on tools.
Our mission is simple: to make your work easier, smarter, and more enjoyable. No matter the task, we'll guide you with the expertise and tools you need.
So what are you waiting for?
Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to join our growing community of tool lovers.
Let's build, fix, and create together.
Thank you for stopping by ToolTalk Pro.
See you in the next video.